Imagine launching an online store that taps into the evergreen world of car accessories. Profit potential? How about $1.2 million? This is about more than just selling products. It's about using a market rich with opportunity. In this video, we'll explore how ordinary people are building successful businesses by dropshipping car accessories on Amazon. We'll also show what makes it easy to start and scale your e-commerce venture with real examples. Welcome to Sellvia channel. Let's roll! The world of car accessories presents a lucrative market for online entrepreneurs. Let me show some numbers. In the United States, there are over 275 million registered vehicles, as reported by Statista. With 91% of US households having access to at least one vehicle, the potential customer base is enormous. Car owners frequently seek out accessories ranging from high-tech gadgets for enhanced functionality to stylish accessories that reflect personal taste. Whether it's functional upgrades like GPS systems or aesthetic improvements like custom seat covers, the demand is diverse and growing. For those thinking about entering e-commerce, the car accessories market offers both variety and volume, making it an appealing choice for a profitable online business. Let's see some examples too. Astro AI's remarkable success on Amazon is a story of a strategic growth and mastering market dynamics. Astro AI's impact in the car accessories sector is marked by its impressive sales figure surpassing $1 million. Can't be too shocked considering how good their products are. Look at the reviews. With over 55,000 orders processed, Astro AI has cemented its position as a go-to brand in the car accessories niche. Astro AI's story is more than a financial success. It's about making a positive difference in the lives of car owners globally by offering practical, reliable solutions. For instance, Astro AI's digital multimeter is an important tool, precise and reliable, simplifying electrical diagnostics and routine checks. Portable compressor is a must-have item in any car. With this inflator, unexpected flat tires no longer mean unscheduled stops or delays. Portable vacuum cleaner is compact yet powerful, handles spills, dirt and debris with ease, making it a necessity for every car owner. However, you don't need to offer complex goods or even produce them to enter e-commerce. Starting an online business can seem like a maze, especially when you're new to e-commerce, but don't sweat it. Let Salvia be your GPS on this journey. Our platform is designed to be user-friendly and budget-friendly, making your path to e-commerce as smooth as a newly paved road. The thought of heavy investments and complex setups can be daunting, but with Salvia, we make it simple and affordable. Say goodbye to inventory headaches and hello to a seamless lunch. Our catalog is full of products from various niches, so you can pick the best of the best for your customers. All products have descriptions and authentic reviews too. And if you want something special, we've recently launched the first ever high-ticket stores. That's right, they come with high-ticket products that give up to $5,000 profit per sale. You see, instead of dropshipping ordinary products that give low profit and require finding tons of new customers regularly, with high-ticket dropshipping, you just make 1-2 sales per month and your profit will be higher than the wage of an average US lawyer. Simple math. And remember that with Salvia, you're also never alone. Our support team is there for you 24/7. And we can't forget about Salvia Marketing Academy, where you can get all the guidance and tutorials you need in your journey. No shady upfront payments. You'll have 2 weeks to try the waters and make a thoughtful decision. Sounds nice? Follow the link at the top right corner or video description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.